Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am finally going to be cleaning the living room. We have been using it as like storage since we moved in. We had all the boxes just stored in here and we were emptying like one at a time. But now I have to completely clear it out today. Tomorrow they're delivering my couches, so I want to make sure this place is nice and clean and ready for them to deliver the couches. So I'm going to take this opportunity to do a good deep cleaning. So before I start, I want to say hi to everyone and hello to my new subscribers and welcome. Thank you so much for hitting that red button to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you know when I upload on Thursdays and Sundays. And yeah, before I keep going on and on, I am going to get going on this cleaning. Let's start.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got. Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
celebration to an unknown destination. Can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
I wanted to wash my windows as well and do a good deep cleaning on them, but before I did that, I wanted to take out these curtains. I have not found the ones that I want to replace them with, but I also know that I don't want to leave these curtains up. So the ones that are on right now, it's like a cream color. They're perfectly fine. At night, they look perfectly fine. So I'm not too worried that people are going to be seeing inside the house at nighttime because we're way off the road. So it has a lot of privacy, so I don't have to worry about that. But anyways, I wanted to give my windows a good cleaning, and I'm so happy that I did because they were so filthy.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen all the magic places.
Logan has been loving being my helper. As soon as he saw me clipping off these curtain rings, he got so excited and he wanted to come help me pack them in the bags. So I was like, okay, you can do them while I fold the curtains and put them away. And he did such a good job. Give him a thumbs up for that.
I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know.
So the week that I filmed this video, I was feeling a little down. I found myself in such a funk and I wanted to get out of it because it was not good for me. I didn't have a lot of energy, but I knew I have to keep going. I have 2 little ones who keep me on my feet. So I wanted to read something that could encourage me because I was just so tired of reading a lot of negative things, sad things online. So I read my favorite Bible verse, which is Philippians 4:13. I also like Jeremiah 29:11. It just encourages me and tells me that God has got my back and I have nothing to worry about, and that always just lifts me up and it encourages me and it gives me the strength and the energy that I need to keep pushing through whatever I am going through. So I am encouraging you to do the same thing. If you're feeling down, just know that God has your back.
I don't believe. Have me acting like a fool to no use. Got me wondering why you still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling is zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you.
Cleaning your baseboards is not something that you do often, but it is something that is necessary, and you will see why when I show you the dirt that was in the water. So I am here to remind you, if you have not cleaned your baseboards, it is time. Get to it. You can do it. So go ahead, get on that, and you will be so happy you did it.
I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling is zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you.
I'm looking so crazy right now, but anyways, as you just saw, that was so disgusting. All that dirt was from just me wiping the baseboards, and I'm so happy I decided to do that last minute because I know once the furniture is in here and I start decorating the room, it's gonna be a bit tricky to clean the baseboards and clean them as good as I really would like to, but I'm so glad I wiped them because they were disgusting and there was a ton of dog hair. I know I keep mentioning dog hair in my videos, but we're not pet owners and we don't have a dog, we don't have any pets at all, and we have never seen this much dog hair. So look at that, my breast actually. So it's been like quite a shock for us, but I think I got pretty much everything. Logan has been such a great help. He's in his room right now. He's watching something, so which gives me a little bit of time to go ahead and mop the floors. And yeah, I think mopping the floors is my last thing that I'm gonna do in this room, and then I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna do here. I don't have much to do. I've been debating painting the room. I'm looking for some painting companies just to get an estimate, or I might end up painting it myself if it's gonna be much cheaper. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it'll be cheaper. I just do not like the color in here. It's like a yellow. Like, I can't. I just don't like it. It matched everything that they had in here, but no, I don't like the color. I don't like the color at all. So I'm gonna change that. I took the curtains down, yay. Already the room looks very different. It just looks more brighter. Not too bright, but it looks much brighter because all that heavy, they are heavy. First of all, when I took them down, I didn't realize how heavy they were, but they're hecka heavy. And I was struggling to get them off of the rods and folding them and putting them in the bin. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm gonna just keep them in the bin for now and see if I'm gonna sell them or donate them. I don't know yet, but I'm happy they're out of the way and I can go ahead and focus on decorating this room how I like it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mopping now.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking around. I will be sharing my couches in the next video, so make sure you are subscribed and you have that notification bell on so you know when I upload next. And I hope I see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.